Hello and welcome to the Flutter development course. In the previous video we have seen what are the widgets, some of the examples, and we see some of the basic widgets like text view, buttons, and many more. So if you miss out that video, go and check out, link is in the description. Also you can click the card above on the top of the video. So in this video we will see how to create a Flutter project using Android Studio, and in the last we will see how we can actually run our app on different emulator devices. So let's quickly move forward to the first point, that how we can create Flutter project using Android Studio. So first of all I will open my Android Studio. So here you can see that there are two options. If you want to create a project for the Android using Java or Kotlin, then you will select the first one. But for now we are creating Flutter project, that's why we will select create new Flutter project. And after that you will select Flutter application from here and press next. And here you will write your Flutter project name. I will write to learning YouTube learning. Okay. And here I will have to specify my Flutter SDK path. So for that I have to select my Flutter SDK which has already been installed. So I will select that. After that I will set the location of that projects which are going to be developed. For that I will select and add projects inside the dummy projects. That's okay for now. This will be the optional, that you can skip that as well. So press next, and here you will find the package name. Actually the package name is the unique ID of every project. It can be anything, but it will not be the same as the many apps are already in Play Store. So your app must have a unique package name. And if it is checked, so you have to uncheck these two boxes. And next we have to finish it. Now it is creating the Flutter project. Now it will take some time. Wait for that. As you can see, it is loading the project YouTube Learning that we have now created for our learning process. Let me full screen so that you can understand the basic code. Okay, it is now indexing the code. And please do not do anything when it is building the Gradle or scanning the files or it is indexing, because when we did this then the system will hang up. So it is project is created. Now we'll see what are the basic folders that are available in the Flutter project. So this is the Android, not the Android, but is project level selected. We can select Android from here. It is loading still, but we will select project, expand it, and here you will find the main dot file in the lib folder, main dot, and here all the coding will be appear here. When we will create projects, then we will basically start from the main dot file, and here you will find all the iOS code as well as Flutter codes and web codes, not the codes but the code as well. So now we will see how we can run this app on the real emulator. So for that I will run my virtual device, click on play, button and it will start the AVD. AVD stand for a virtual device, Android virtual device. Just close it and we will wait for that. So finally, emulator is up and running. Now we have to run the app. So in order to run the app, we have to click this button and it will run automatically on the emulator. Now it will take some time, so we will wait for that. Now it is starting the dev tool. So wait for that. So finally after a time, the app is up and running. So let's see how it works. Yeah, it is working. And don't worry, we will see all of these widgets in our later course. But for now in this video we have seen how we can create a project in Flutter and we have run it on the emulator as well. In the next video I will delete all this code and I will create a hello world project. Yes, a hello world project. So let's quickly move forward to the next video.